In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in South Dakota. Access the South Dakota Secretary of State website. Go to the Business Service section to find the form for updating your LLC information. Choose the correct form. Select the Amendment to Article of Organization form to update your LLC's office and registered agent office. Fill out your LLC information. Provide your LLC's legal name, current address, new address, and anything else you wish to register. Verify the information. Double check all the details to ensure there are no errors before you submit. Submit the form, then pay the fee. File the completed amendment online or by mail, then pay the required fee to South Dakota Secretary of State. Notify the relevant parties. Inform your bank, IRS, vendors, and anybody else that you've updated your LLC's address to keep records current. Now you know how to change your LLC address in South Dakota. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.